Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by opening Control Center or tapping Settings, then Display and Brightness. You do this because the slider there directly changes screen output. It's the fastest path. Once done, disable features like True Tone and Night Shift if they are adjusting color and perceived brightness automatically. This ensures your changes are direct and predictable. Now drag the brightness slider down below the midpoint. You'll notice immediate visual dimming. Do it gradually until the screen is comfortable for your eyes. Next, refine darkness using accessibility. Go to Settings, Accessibility Display and Text Size and enable Reduce White Point. Decrease the percent to lower bright whites without losing contrast. If you need more, use Zoom's Zoom filter set to low brightness or apply color filters to change the tone and reduce glare. Make sure auto brightness is set the way you want. Turn it off to keep the level steady. These steps let you control perceived brightness beyond the standard slider. Finally, combine settings for lasting results. Enable low power mode to slightly dim the screen systemically and schedule night shift during evening hours to warm colors and reduce perceived brightness. If controls become unresponsive, restart your iPhone first. Often a reset clears temporary glitches. If brightness still won't adjust, reset all settings as a last resort, but back up first to avoid data loss. If problems persist after that, contact Apple support for hardware diagnosis.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.